Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Zulaika Maisara Masrazi. Welcome to Ladang, Burung, Unta, Perlis, a must-visit destination located in the peaceful town of Padang Besar, Perlis. This unique farm is a fantastic spot for families and animal lovers. Today we'll take you on a journey to explore this charming attraction. Ladang Burung Unta is situated just a short drive from Padang Besar, close to the Malaysian-Thailand border. The farm's tranquil surrounding and scenic view add to its charm, making it an ideal destination to escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. Now let's talk about the exciting activities you can enjoy here. The main attraction, of course, is the ostriches. Visitors can get up close with this majestic bird, learn about their behavior and even feed them. But that's not all. The farm is also home to deer, sheep, horses, water buffalo and colorful peacocks, offering a delightful mix of animal encounters. Whether you are a local looking for a weekend getaway or a tourist exploring Perlis, Ladang Burung Unta is a must-visit destination. It's the perfect spot to connect with nature, learn about wildlife, and creating lasting memories. Now, here's an interesting fact about Ladang Burung Unta Perlis. This unique farm is more than just a tourist attraction. It's part of Taman Agrovet Perlis, an innovative project managed by the Perlis Veterinary Department. The initiative is designed to highlight the importance of animal resources in ecotourism, education, and sustainable farming practice. At the farm, you'll discover how ostrich, known for their incredible speed and resilience, are raised and cared for. Did you know that ostriches are not only the largest bird in the world but also a valuable resource, with their feathers, eggs, and leather being used in various industries? The farm showcases how tourism can go hand in hand with education, allowing visitors to enjoy interactive experience while learning about wildlife conservation and agriculture. This blend of fun, learning, and sustainability make Ladang Burung Unta Perlis a truly unique destination, perfect for families and nature lovers. It's a shining example of how responsible tourism can make a positive impact on the environment and community. Okay, now let's talk about the main star of the farm, the ostriches. Did you know that the ostriches are the largest bird in the world, can run up to 70 km per hour? Here's at Ladang Burung Unta, you get the chance to see these amazing creatures up close and even feed them. farm is part of Taman Agrovet Perlis, an initiative focused on utilizing animal resource as key attraction. It's a wonderful blend of nature, education and recreation, offering a memorable experience for everyone. So whether you're looking to spend quality time with your family, learn about fascinating animals or enjoy thrilling outdoor activities, Ladang Burung Unta has it all. Its serene location, exciting activities, easy accessibility and excellent facilities make it a top destination in Perlis. We hope you're inspired to visit and experience it for yourself. Don't forget to bring your camera to capture some wonderful memories. Ladang Burung Unta Perlis, where nature, adventure and fun comes together. Facilities here are thoroughly designed to make your visit comfortable. The farm provides clean and spacious ground for visitors to explore at their own pace. There are sitting areas where you can relax and enjoy the scenery, as well as food stalls offering light snack and refreshment. Additionally, a designated prayer area or surau is available for visitors who needs it. Everything is well organized, ensuring you have a seamless and enjoyable experience throughout your visit. Ladang Burung Unta is very accessible. If you're driving, there are plenty of parking space available at the farm.
Hi, my name is Unta, and what's your name?
My name is Muhammad Shafi.
Okay. Today I want to interview you about the Ostrich farm. Okay, my first question is, what was your favorite activity or animal interaction at Ladang Burung Unta?
Okey, itu saya buat aktiviti di sini. Favorite saya dalam keperan lah. Sebab di sini dia akan bawa keliling tempat ni lah. Kita datang pula, saya buat tempat dalam resort lah. Dalam tempat ni lah, itu saya buat.
Okay, my number two question is, what did you find the facilities and amenities at the farm comfortable and convenient during your visit?
Untuk kemudahan di sini, ada untuk parking yang luas lah. Di sini kemudian ada kandang, surau dan juga kalau kata Jumaat sampai Ahad memang kita akan dibuka lah.
My number three question is, would you recommend the Ostrich farm to others to visit?
Saya sangat untuk Perlis ni, untuk tahu melawat Perlis pernah tahun 24 dan 25 untuk melawat di kawasan sini lah. Untuk 2012 dan 2015.
Thank you, that's all.